When we divide integers, the rule is basically the same as multiplication. That is, if you have two positives or two negatives, the answer is a positive. If you have one positive and one negative, the answer is negative. Why does it work that way, though? So, for example, we could just evaluate this using our rule. A positive over a negative, the answer is negative, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the answer is negative 5. But why? Well, the reason why is this. Let's think of it as long division. Fraction means division. We divide negative 2 divided into 10. Well, to work this, it's really a multiplication question. The question is, what times negative 2 equals positive 10? Well, in the last video, we did multiplying. We know a negative times a negative is a positive, so this has to be a negative. It's got to be a negative 5 because a negative 5 times a negative 2 is a positive 10. That's why a positive over a negative gives us a negative. Yeah? Let's look at two negatives divided. Well, let's say we have negative 15 divided by negative, let's do negative 5. Well, a negative divided by a negative is a positive. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the answer is positive 3. Why is it a positive? Look at it as in long division. Negative 5 divided into negative 15. The question here, what is our answer? Well, what number times negative 5 is negative 15? The answer has to be a positive because a positive times a negative is a negative. So the answer has to be positive 3. That's why we get a 3 there. And then we could continue. I'll just do a few more examples. Oh, what is 20 divided by negative 4? Well, we could think of this as 20 over negative 4. A positive over a negative is a negative. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. So the answer is negative 5. So that's the idea of dividing positive and negative numbers.